As the world gets smaller and humanity across the globe begins to share knowledge and information as never before. Though the television and internet compete with the books, the pleasure of reading a good book is quite incomparable. Today, publication of books is a multi-billion-dollar industry. There are thousands of publishing houses across the world engaged in the production and marketing of various types of books in varied formats and designs. There is hardly any subject on which there is no book. From academics to cinema, from travel to health, from fiction and fantasy to beauty care. Books cover a wide range of subjects, catering to an ever-widening range of readers across the world. Modern publishing houses have a full-fledged editorial department that ensures that a book is worthy of publication in terms of its content, organization, and presentation. Book editors are highly professional and skilled individuals commanding an in-depth knowledge in the field.
First, we have to see that the manuscript which is being offered to us fits in with the subjects that we have decided to publish. The second most important criterion is, of course, the quality of the writing and the treatment of the subject.
Once a manuscript is approved for publication, it is now processed by the copy editor, who is an interface between the publisher and the printer. The copy editor decides on how the book should look. The copy editor follows rules that ensure uniformity in the book, in the aspects of spellings, capitalization, abbreviation, transliteration, punctuation, and paragraphing. Once the copy editor takes the necessary decisions, the manuscript is now ready for typesetting. Written manuscripts are transferred into an electronic format with the help of computers. This is the world of desktop publishing, popularly known as DTP. If the book contains photographs and other graphics, then the page designer will scan that material through a scanner and place it appropriately in the page. The quality and the character of the photograph can be digitally altered before it is finally placed in the page. It must be remembered that a book is laid open and closed a number of times. It is held and is carried. It is kept in homes, libraries, and offices. The book must have a long life. The computer has changed the book designing dramatically, allowing the designer to execute just about any kind of design that can be imagined. Books cannot have mistakes in them. The printed matter in a book is sacrosanct and unalterable. To ensure that the written matter is absolutely flawless when it is finally published, proofreading is done carefully, scrutinizing each and every word of the book. The good proofreader is accurate and fast and uses a coded marking to point out the flaws in the proof that needs correction in the margins of the printed text. Modern offset printing uses photographic methods to make plates from which printing can be done. When the book has been finally designed, it is now in the camera-ready copy or the CRC stage. Each page of the book is now photographed. From the photographic negatives, photographic positives are made. The positives are arranged in sets, generally 8 in number, on a plate. The plates are then attached to cylinders inside the printing machine. For color printing, there will be 4 plates, and as the paper passes, printing will be done one on the top of another in varying amounts. The printing press contains cylinders that rapidly rotate continuous webs of paper while printing with quick drying ink. With a magnifying glass, technicians minutely scrutinized a few test sheets to ensure that there are no printing defects. Once printed, these large printed sheets are first collected and then folded according to page numbers and creased. Now the book is ready for binding. There are many ways to bind a book. Once all the pages are gathered, the book can be passed on to a machine that will automatically staple it. Or the pages can be put together and bound together with a powerful adhesive on a gumming machine. The book publication is a very exciting field, more so today with the advent of modern technology backed by computers. As books become more attractive and new avenues of knowledge are tapped, the pleasure of reading is only enhanced.